Welcome back to Night Whispers, where your seat may spill secrets. My desk chair kept squeaking in odd patterns, like Morse code. One night, it tapped out, "Run." I almost jumped out the window. Turns out my dog was nudging it rhythmically with his nose to get my attention. Now he's a ghostwriter, like sub and decode your furniture's cries. As I processed the peculiar message, my imagination spiraled into tales of hidden warnings and ghostly whispers. Each creak of the chair seemed like a new chapter waiting to unfold. My loyal companion, now transformed into my literary partner, was determined to help me decode the mysteries of our home. Together we began to weave stories from the secrets held within these walls.